Well, good Wednesday, everyone. Not a bad day out there today. The overall takeaway that we've talked about all week, warm up still on the way. We will be watching for a little bit of a change tomorrow, though, so quickly talking about this. High pressure continues to build, but it'll be moved back a bit tomorrow with a quick moving cold front rolling through the northern Rockies. Now, we're not talking about rain for us here in western Montana. The reason, the center of the low is going to move through central and eastern Montana. So you can see that's where most of the moisture is going to be. For us in western Montana, we'll be dry, but along this front, we will see the winds pick up. So expect some gusty winds and temperatures running a bit cooler than what we had today. Then that moves out. High pressure builds in. 70s Friday. We're talking about 70s and 80s then by the weekend. So quickly talking about the winds, they will begin to pick up this evening. We stopped this at 11 p.m. tonight. Strongest winds do look to be tomorrow morning. All right, and the strongest winds look to be along and south of I-90 in western Montana and then east of the divide. Northwest Montana still breezy, but only 10 to 20 miles per hour. Those will continue into the afternoon before high pressure brings that quiet, warm and dry weather starting Friday.